Dr. Sumedha Wadhwa, consultant cosmetic surgeon, Delhi NCR, and I hope you all are safe, healthy, and very much at home amidst the lockdown. Today I'm doing a short video on blepharoplasty, which is a simple, safe, short duration surgical procedure which helps you get rid of that excess fat, skin, and at times even the muscle from the upper or the lower eyelid. Now, why would somebody require an eyelid surgery? As we age, we might have noticed on ourselves or somebody elder at home that the facial skin especially tends to become loose, saggy, wrinkly. Now, eyelids are not separate from this aging process and contribute majorly to it. So you will notice that there is excess of loose skin, wrinkly skin, sagging of skin on the upper or the lower eyelids, and sometimes even puffy eyes or those baggy eyes, heavy looking eyes. This contributes to the aged look by imparting a very exhausted and tired look to the eyes. Now, blepharoplasty is the cosmetic surgical answer to getting rid of all of this. Other than the cosmetic value, it also helps improvise the vision a little bit. As I mentioned, that the skin tends to sag down, so this upper eyelid skin which is in excess causes the upper eyelid to fall a little below the normal position, like this. Because of the excess of skin, there is heaviness causing the eyelid to fall a little below than the normal position and thus impairing the vision. So once we remove the excess fat and skin and tighten the skin, it causes improvisation in the vision. It can be done as an outpatient procedure. We use normally a local anesthesia, and sometimes even general anesthesia can be given if the patient is not comfortable with the local anesthesia. Put an incision, remove the fat, put stitches, a little dressing, and you're good to go. Now, normally dissolvable stitches are put, however, patient variation, and if non-dissolvable stitches are put, normally 7 days is when we remove the stitches. The post-surgical period or the post-operative period is also short lasting about 10 to 14 days, which is the minimal healing time and the time when the swelling will come down. You're supplemented with antibiotics, some painkillers. Of course, we recommend the use of ice packs to ease out the discomfort and of course to lower down the swelling. We advise you strictly not to swim, not to do any strenuous exercises like gymming, spas, saunas, jogging, because these all contribute to sweating in the surgical site and thus infection. And of course, no use of contact lenses, no use of any herbal medication or medications like aspirin. Of course, aspirin needs to be stopped in conjunction with the prescribing doctor. Once the healing has taken place, the swelling has subsided, it leaves you with a very rested look, a youthful appearance, and of course, really increases your self-confidence, the younger looking you. So blepharoplasty is probably the answer you've been looking for to get rid of that excess skin, puffy, baggy eyes. For further details, you can contact me. You can also read more about it on my website, www.drsumedhawadhwa.com. Be home, be safe.